Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the lecture on the conduction system of the heart. There is the conduction system of the heart is related with the cardiac muscle. A cardiac muscle has an intrinsic rhythmicity that allow the heartbeat to originate in and be conducted through the heart without extrinsic stimulation, means आउटसाइड स्टिमुलेशन के आगे की रिक्वायरमेंट्स नहीं होती. इट मीन्स इट इज मायोजेनिक इन नेचर एज कंपेयर टू द न्यूरोजेनिक. स्पेशलाइज्ड स्टेंट्स ऑफ द इंटरकनेक्टेड cardiac muscles tissue that coordinate the cardiac contraction constitute the conduction system. The conduction system enable the cardiac cycle, which refers to the events surrounding the filling and emptying of the chambers of the heart. The conduction system consists of specialized tissue that generate and distribute the electrical impulse through the heart. Then we will discuss about the specialized tissue. SA node, sinoarterial node, AV arterioventricular node, you may see in here bundle of His, then left and right bundle of His. Component of the conduction system are the SA node, AV node. SA node full form sinoarterial node, arterioventricular node, AV node, arterioventricular bundle, commonly called bundle of His, and conduction myofibers, means Purkinje fibers. We may see here SA node, sinoarterial node. You may see it below the just superior vena cava, and then second one is AV node, arterioventricular node. And then lateral bifurcated form के अंदर bundle of His and other parts of the conduction system. Conduction system के बाद the SA node और pacemaker is located in the posterior wall of the right atrium. You may see here SA node, posterior wall of the right atrium, easily you may see here. SA node initiate the cardiac cycle by producing an electrical impulse that spread over both arteria and causing them to contract simultaneously, means both arteria, right arteria and left arteria, both simultaneously contract and forces the blood into the ventricle through from the arteria. There is the position of the SA node, AV node, that's bundle of His, then branches of left and right bundle branches. Then we see complete part of the tear. You may see left bundle, right pulmonary vein, all parts of the representation. The basic depolarization rate of the SA node is 70 to 80 times per minute. Then impulse then passes the AV node located in the inferior portion of the intra-arterial septum. Means the impulse then passes the first, the source of the SA node is the depolarization rate, generation of the electric impulse. Then it passes, means impulse passes the AV node located in the inferior position of the interarterial septum. From here the impulse continues through the arterioventricular bundle located at the top of interventricular septum. You may say AV node. Firstly generate the SA node impulse, then passes to the AV node. AV node passes it to bundle of His, and bundle of His divided into left and right branches, and it passes to the further Purkinje fiber, and these are run through the interventricular walls. The artery ventricle divided into right and left bundle branches which are continuous with the conduction myofibers in the ventricular walls. Stimulation of these fibers causes the ventricles to contract simultaneously. You may see here all parts of that things. AV node, superior vena cava, then passes into the arterioventricular part of the membranes. Simple we can the AV node, then bundle of his fiber again and again. Contraction of the ventricles is referred to as systole. Systole together with the tension of elastic fiber and contraction of smooth muscles within the systematic arteries account for the systolic pressure within the arteries. Then you may say systole and diastole. Systole, in which opening of the pulmonary valve and aortic valve occurs, commonly collectively known as the semilunar valves, and closing of the bicapsid and tricapsid valve. In diastole, opening of tricapsid and bicapsid valve occurs and closing of the semilunar valves, which causes diastole and systole causes the lub and dove sound of the heart. Ventricular relaxation is called as diastole. During diastole, the diastolic pressure within arteries can be recorded. Then heartbeat can vary by much as 20 or 30 beats per minute in 24 hours, but the heart maintains an average of about 70 beats per minute during a day. Blood pressure recorded at 120/80 in the morning can rise to 140/100 by evening. The normal body temperature of 98.6 Fahrenheit will fluctuate between 97 and 98 Fahrenheit over a 24 hours period. Although the heart rate does not initiate contraction pattern, it is also inverted by the autonomic nervous system in the order to respond the ever-changing by physiological needs of the body. The SA and AV node have both sympathetic and parasympathetic interventions, means the heart control is myogenic and and also controlled by the ANS. These are the parts you may see. Sympathetic stimulation accelerates the heart rate and dilate the coronary arteries, enabling the heart to meet its own increased metabolic demands as well as those of the rest of the body. You may see here parasympathetic stimulation has the opposite effect. Sympathetic inversion is through fiber from the cervical and upper thoracic ganglia. You may see paras is branches of the vagus nerve, which is the smallest nerve considered. From the right vagus invert the SA node and left vagus invert the AV node. These are cardiac output is the volume of blood ejected by the heart into the systematic circulation each minute. It is determined by the multiplying the stroke rate or heart rate by the stroke volume. The stroke volume is the amount of blood pumped from the heart into systematic circulation on each ventricular contraction, which amount to be about 70 ml of the blood. A normal resting cardiac output ranges between 4.2 and 5.6 liter per minute. Exercise increase the heart rates as do the hormones epinephrine and thyroxine. Atropine, caffeine, and camphor are drugs that have a stimulatory effect. Blood pressure and body temperature also a profound effect on the heart rate. The end. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.